Make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to receive helpful tips on how to relieve pain. If you have any questions, put it in the comment section down below.
It's been for about a year from throwing in softball. I'm a catcher. And it's just from on a scale of 1 to 10, for about an 8 or 9.
Where do you feel the pain?
My elbow around here.
Your elbow. So this has been going on for a year. How did you hurt yourself?
Throwing mainly, and sometimes when I'm bending it hurts as well.
Okay. So from 0 to 10, do you have constant pain, or your pain happening when you throw, or stretching and reaching forward?
Mainly when throwing and reaching forward, but probably a constant pain of 7.
Constant pain 7, and you feel it right here. Okay, so I will have you extend your elbow and tell me if that aggravates your symptoms.
Right here.
How much from 0 to 10?
An 8.
And bend?
There as well.
How much from 0 to 10?
8.
What kind of pain? Is it sharp, dull, aching?
Sharp pain.
Sharp pain, and it's in here. Do you feel pain going down to your hands?
No.
What about your wrist movement? Any pain with that?
No.
We'll do supination, pronation. You're very stiff, actually. Yeah. How much from 0 to 10?
About a 7.
Bend. That's as far as you can go. Okay, so you're limited with the flexion.
Yes.
Okay. So I want you to really pronate like this. How's that?
That hurts.
0 to 10?
8.
Okay, but that's look fine. Okay, that's a supination that's look like is affecting it. How much pain with this?
A 7.
7. Okay, and sorry, that's almost like 60, 68. So we'll have you throw in the hallway and tell me how that feels. Okay. How much pain from 0 to
7.
7? Okay. So is that increasing your pain?
Okay. That hurts.
Sorry.
It's okay.
What about now?
It's okay.
Do you remember how you hurt yourself?
No, it was kind of just nagging me for a while, and then it got really bad, so I told my parents.
Okay. Is that too much?
It's okay.
You feel that grinding here? And here, that's a big knot here. Did you feel it?
Yes.
You probably feel it, and also sometimes you can hear it when. Is that too much here?
Yeah, a little.
It's all in your biceps, sorry.
It's okay.
Relax. And you can see it in the tool, like just going like this. And after really few seconds, can you tell the difference now when we work on it?
Yes.
What's different?
It's more smooth.
It's different. So you notice that the area you complain of the pain of don't have much scar tissue than the opposite area.
Yeah, I do.
Is that painful?
Yes.
Sorry. Any pain or it's gone?
Fine. It's almost gone.
Let's drink more water. Moving a little bit faster. Let's do the supination, pronation.
That hurts a little bit.
Where?
The same area.
Okay, let's do the supination.
It's gone.
That was worse. You feel it right in that spot?
Yes.
Is that too much?
No.
Okay, let's drink more water and try it again. Okay, let's flex it. Like bend your elbow. Okay. 125 now is 140.
Yes.
And the supination was 68. Okay. Sorry, I'm just 75. You see that? 75. Any pain? Let's drink some more. So what motion that caused the pain?
It's a little bit.
Let's drink more water. So we're going to do all the range of motion that used to bother you before we started and tell me how you feel now.
It's coming.
Down, circulation, formation. You don't feel it? Let's drink more water and we're going to do throwing. Yeah. And let me know if you feel any pain. If you don't feel pain, just keep going. Okay, keep going. Doing 10, as long as you don't feel pain. So it's the first one and the second one was painful. Are you counting? If you're not counting, we're going to do 200. In the camera. In front of the camera. 10? 10 more for me, please.
Okay. You're not feeling pain. Okay.
It doesn't hurt, Jazzy?
No.
No way.
You're counting, yeah?
Yes.
Are you trying to show off now? Keep going.
Yeah,
Just 20 on. Okay.
Okay.
Total.
that's true.
That's it. That's it.
Okay. So what do you think about ASTR treatment? You just did 20 throwing now.
Now it doesn't hurt anymore.
Doesn't
It's
hurt?
gone.
You feel better?
Yes.
Awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.
You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.